I just can't wait for summer now, Mark.
You know, Dean, it's unbelievable. I mean, I was, as I watched every event, whether it be the party trolley situation,
Yeah.
I mean, or you just go into various inflatable good times.
What are we doing in here working?
Yeah, it's like a bouncy castle for adults.
Yeah.
I'm very excited, Dean. Let's go ahead and show you what's going on. I want to show you some numbers. You want to see some? Now I
do.
go to Nerd Talk.
Well, you're a
And
numbers guy. I like that.
Well, I
like
know. I mean, I go to Nerd Talk now. Everybody's like,
It's one of your many qualities.
hey, well, thank you very much. And we wanted to compare where we were last year to where we are this year for snowpack. And actually, the news is very, very good, and it's very encouraging because we are looking at things that are much better. Although the Colorado San Juans down 18%. They had more snow last year. We're 25% up in the New Mexico San Juans. Across the Sangre de Cristo Mountains, we have almost 50% more snow than we had at this point last year. The Jemez Mountains, over 50%. Down across the south, we are looking at better snow numbers than last year, 48% above in the Sacramento Mountains. The Gila, as bad as it is this year, it's still 11% better than last year. And this is a point the National Weather Service made today in a call we had with them, that things are looking better as compared to last year. Now, as far as storms go now, they're starting to push their way out of the eastern side of the state here, going to quiet down throughout the night. And then tomorrow, we're going to ramp a few things back up again. And we'll get to that in a moment. But today in the metro area, it seemed a bit like a late spring or early summer day. We had mild air at the surface, colder air higher up in the atmosphere, and that colder air was bolstered by a little weather disturbance. And so when you get that warm air at the surface, it rises up through that colder air above it. It's an efficient way to get air going vertically in the atmosphere, and you start forming thunderstorms. But we didn't have so much moisture that we had your garden variety thunderstorm where you get that heavy rain, but we had enough moisture to form the storm. But as that rain falls down through dry air, it evaporates. As you evaporate air, you cool the air, and cool air is heavy air. So it comes right out of the storms, hits the ground, and very gusty winds along with maybe a little bit of rain. And this is what we call virga. Happens all the time, and it gets very gusty underneath these storms. And we saw that today as late as this evening in the Albuquerque metro area. 52 degrees in the metro right now, west-southwest wind 6 miles an hour. Temperatures across the north 30s and 40s, down to the south 30s, 40s, and 50s. Weather disturbance kicking its way out tonight and will quiet things down. Now for tomorrow, the change is the fact that we don't have a weather disturbance kicking through. However, we will see the possibility of some thunderstorms forming in mountain regions tomorrow, and then that goes away altogether by Wednesday. But by Thursday, we get our next storm system that starts to approach. So we're going to stay pretty active. Now, as far as the mountains go, they're a favorite area tomorrow for two big reasons. Number one, mountain areas tend to heat the air more efficiently, leading to rising air, and that helps form storms. Number two is that air has to roll over the mountains. It pushes upward as well. So these two reasons really mean that we tend to do better over mountains for storms, and that happens all summer long, and we could see it for tomorrow. Kind of an early look at some mountain storms. We'll get more of this as we push through the warmer weather. 56 in Durango, 54, Pagosa Springs, and 59 in Cortez. Not much going on here for tomorrow. Across the northwest, mostly sunny skies, 60 in Farmington, 55 Cuba, and 56 in Dulce. Over to the southwest, not a lot of action here either. 63 in Silver City, 70 in Deming, 67 in Las Cruces. More clouds, though, by Thursday and Friday. Over to the southeast, our chances for a few showers go up here, especially over the Sacramento Mountains for the reasons we just talked about. Could see a couple other sprinkles around places like Roswell and Artesia. Up to the northeast, the closer to the mountains you are, the better chance you have. Areas like Mora and Las Vegas would fit that category. Red River, Angel Fire, Chama, all will see a chance at an isolated shower tomorrow. But as you can tell, with the 7-day forecast, by Friday, our chances go up thanks to the storm. 57 Edgewood, 57 into Harris, and finally here in the metro area, sunny and mild. 66 downtown and 62 in the foothills. Increasing clouds in the metro area by Thursday. Could get a few showers on Friday. A little quieter for the weekend.
All right, looks pretty good. Mark, thank you.